Welcome to another video by Wildcards. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the Find and Replace tool in Excel. So here I have a spreadsheet with my customers, and I want to locate a specific customer. Instead of scrolling down and searching in the records one by one, I could use the Find and Replace tool. Now, if I hold the Control key on my keyboard and tap F, the Find and Replace dialog window pops up. So I want to find a customer whose surname is Lakes. Let's find all. Okay, so I have two customers named Lakes, or more like a repeat customer. By clicking here, it shows me, it selects the cell where this customer is, see, Lakes. And the next, here it is again, Lakes. Let's close this. Now another feature. Now a customer has informed me that I have his information misspelled. I have misspelled his surname. The customer's name is Rice. So again, I would hit Control plus F to open up the Find and Replace box. Type in Rice and find all. Now I can click on the Replace tab and replace Rice with the correct spelling. Rice with a Y, and replace. And you see here it is, it has replaced it. Now I can close the dialog box. Now, let's imagine that you're looking for something, but you don't know exactly what, and you're not quite sure what mistake you made, but you know that you probably made one. In this situation, we could use what are called wildcard characters. So let's open up the Find and Replace box again by tapping Control plus F. Now, I want to find someone that's named Rice, but I'm not sure about the spelling. So we can type R. Now, I'm not sure about what letter goes next, so I can use the wildcard character question mark. A question mark represents any character. Now, is it with a C or is it with an S? I can type another question mark. I believe it will end in an E. So I'm looking for someone whose surname begins with an R, then has two characters and ends in an E. Let's find. Now, you see here that the first record it found is someone called Arnie. Why did this show up? Because we have in the name Arnie, we have an R, an N, an I, and an E. So R, character, E. Next, we have an address that popped up, Terrace Avenue. Of course, because we have R, character, E in Terrace. Then we have someone called Rice with a Y and a C. I found him. Okay. Now, a question mark is a wildcard character that represents one character. So it could be any character. I could use the wildcard character asterisk to represent any number of characters. So I could do the same search, but instead of using 2 question marks, which represent 2 characters, I could choose an asterisk, which represents any number of characters. And my last letter would be E. So the asterisk could be 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters. And let's find. Okay, it has found all of these. So that was not a very helpful search. I could narrow down my search by choosing match entire cell contents, because I am specifically looking for a surname, Rice, which would be the only content of the cell. So I'm not looking for an address, I'm looking for a surname. So let's narrow down by clicking on match entire cell contents and find. There he is, Mr. Rice, Mr. Rice Brandon. So you see how useful wildcard characters can be in Excel. They allow you to find and then even replace, if you like, things that you're not sure about, or maybe words that you're not sure how are really spelled. So the main wildcard characters are the question mark, which represents 1 character, any character, and the asterisk, which represents any number of characters. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.